Good day, world. Every year on the 5th of June, we gathered all over the world to celebrate the World Environment Day in a grand new ways and masses. We educate people, we tell people what the environment is all about, what are the issues and what are the problems, and how to tackle the problems. And this year will not be an exception, but then it will be in a brand different way, or maybe electronic way, or whichever way we call it, due to the current COVID-19 pandemic the world is experiencing. My name is Abumajid Abubakar, the founder of Advocates for Green Environment here in Nigeria. And the World Environment Day theme this year is tagged as Celebrate Biodiversity. Today I decided to talk or to pound on the topic I construct. The topic is dryland biodiversity. Why dryland? Dryland is the region of so many millions of people that live within the harsh weather, the harsh environment, a difficult environment where the poorest of the poor people of the world are living, which is most of the developing countries or underdeveloped countries, the third world lies within. It is defined as a region of water scarcity. It is also characterized as an area or zone of extreme weather events. So this is Africa, even though there are so many places in the world, but I am from Africa. I'm talking of Africa, Nigeria to be precise, and most of the dryland regions of Nigeria lies within the northern part of Nigeria, where I am from. So that is why this is the main reason I brought up this topic of dryland biodiversity, to educate the people of the need to celebrate the biodiversity in this region because of its richness and uniqueness. Biodiversity in dryland exhibit diversity within ecosystem rather than within species. This is a region of difficulty, but yet we have so many variety of biodiversity that coexist per se in harmony, since there are so many challenges the entire ecosystem is facing. Indigenous plants and animals living in the region, they have adapted themselves with the climate, the harsh climate, and the frequent drought conditions of the region. The drylands are home to rich biodiversity plants and animal species whose potentials are or remains untapped. These animals and plants within the region, their potentials are untapped. Why are they untapped? So we need to know the reasons why these biodiversity potentials are not even untapped. What are the reasons before we would celebrate them? Um, uh, we need the combination of technology and the indigenous knowledge of the people living within this region to untap these potentials of the biodiversity, because they are rich. The richness of dryland biodiversity cannot be overemphasized. As I defined it earlier, it is a region of water scarcity and characterized by seasonal climatic extremes, unpredictable rainfall patterns. But yet, despite their relative levels of aridity, drylands contains a great variety of rich biodiversity, which